cooks, guess what? Today we are doing a giveaway! Yay, yay, yay! The very nice people over at CHEFWIN have partnered with us to give away 5 11-inch stainless steel skillets. These are 5-ply. These are really thick, 3.5 millimeter. These are 3/16 stainless steel. We'll talk about that. We're giving away 5 of these babies to Amy Learns to Cook viewers. We're going to try one out today. We're going to make us some chicken. Welcome to the Amy Learns to Cook kitchen. So before I do anything, I want to thank CHEFWIN for sponsoring this giveaway. We looked at their detachable handle cookware set, the skillet set. It's amazing. The stainless steel is high quality. They're nice and thick. They cook amazing. We cook the drunken noodles in them, and they are wonderful. This is their 11-inch skillet. It is available on Amazon, so I'll put links down in the description. You can take a look at it. So what we're going to do is we're going to unbox this baby. We're going to take a look at it. We're going to touch. We're going to feel it. We're going to flip it around, right? We're going to cook some chicken. We're just going to pan cook some chicken with some onions and mushrooms. I got some rice going on there. Simple, easy weeknight dinner. This is the perfect pan for that, right? So you guys ready to see this? I'm ready to see this because that detachable handle set, it is beautiful. It is absolutely beautiful, absolutely high quality. I love it. We looked at it initially before the release, and then we cooked the drunken noodles, and it is now released on Amazon. So I've been looking forward to this pan. So can I say again, thank you, CHEFWIN? I really appreciate it. I'm so excited that 5 Amy Learns to Cook viewers are going to get one of these pans, right? Yeah. As soon as I play with it and massage it and we cook in it, I'll tell you how to get in on the giveaway. So here's a little catalog of CHEFWIN's 3/16 stainless steel cookware. This right here, if you want cookware that there's none of the forever chemicals, there's no PTFE, no PFOA, none of that stuff, straight stainless is the creme de la creme, right? So this gives you a usage guides. It shows you how about the plies. So the inner layer is 3/16 stainless steel. The second layer is 1050 aluminum. The third layer is 3003 aluminum. The fourth layer is 1050 aluminum. And the outer layer is stainless steel, 430. Shows you how the use and care and their whole product line. Look at this. This is a really nice little handout to have. So here is our pan. Whoa!
A little heavy?
Okay, this is just like their detachable handle. So I noticed this about their detachable cookware, detachable handle cookware, because a lot of those sets are really cheap looking. And this is true solid 5-ply, right? Whoa. Whoa, 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 whoa. So let's see this baby. Whoa. Whoa. This is really nice. The 5-ply is absolutely amazing. So it is gas, hot plate, halogen, and induction safe. So here is the bottom. Here is your cooking surface. Really nice and wide. Kind of deep here so it doesn't all over the place. One piece on the handle. There's no exposed rivets here, so you won't get stuff all stuck in there. Beautiful handle. So the question is, well, hold on. Wow, hold on. These edges appear to be finished. I don't see the layers in there. It's just flat and smooth. This is how the detachable handle was, that those were nice and smooth. This is Really nice. 5 Amy Learns to Cook viewers are going to get one of these 5-ply 11-inch skillets from CHEFWIN. They are amazing. I already can tell you the quality on this is number 1 right out of the box. So let me get some soap and water on this bad boy and let's see how it performs on the stove. So the first thing we're going to do is prepare our chicken. So I have 2 pieces of chicken here. This is actually 1 chicken breast that I just cut into cutlets like butterfly style. I'm going to drizzle it with a little bit of olive oil, and I'm going to brush that around a little bit. Then we're going to give it some salt. I'm going to give it some fresh cracked black pepper. And I'm going to give it a little garlic and herb seasoning. Just use whatever you like. This is just like grocery store garlic and herb. We're going to give these a little flip-a-doo. Little drizzle. Drizzle. Little spread. Little salt. Gotta have that seasoning. Little pepper. Little of our seasoning blend. Basic grocery store. I'm going to take these and I'm just going to pat them really quick in a little bit of flour because we're going to be pan frying these. Frying, I guess you could say. We want to shake it. Put it down. Second chicky. Coat it. Shake it. And shake it all around. Mm-hmm. Now, let me bring over the burner. Okay, so we have our CHEFWIN pan here. I have it over like a medium heat. It's beautiful. Did I mention that 5 lucky Amy Learns to Cook viewers are going to get one of these? Stay tuned. We have some onion. Diced. Woo. Nice. Ooh. Turn it down just a little. Very nice. Look at how fancy.
Fancy.
We're going to let these soften up just a little bit. Okay, looking really good. I'm going to put some sliced mushrooms in here. And I'm going to soften these down. So our mushrooms and onions are looking mighty fine. I'm going to go ahead and take them off here. Put them in this bowl. We don't want to overcook them. Turn it into mush. Okay, we're looking good. I'm going to go fire my stove back up. We're going to throw some olive oil in it. This is a really easy weeknight dinner. Simple as I don't know what. Something you definitely could throw together after work.
Oh, yeah.
So we're going to take our little chicken, put him in here. One more. Looking pretty good. We're just going to cook these off until they are your desired doneness, at least 165. Okay, so when you're using a stainless steel skillet, the chicken is going to tell you when it wants to be flipped because it's going to release from the pan. So you want that little stickage on there initially because it develops some of that fond. It will release. See? It's telling us, flip me. Very nice. Very nice. The frizzle chicken says it's
approved.
It's ready. I got this little chicken when I was in Gatlinburg. Isn't that cute? Chicky, chicky, chicky. Chicky, chicky. Chicky. Oh, God! Ah. So I'm going ahead and take these chickens out, and we're going to foil them real quick. So you see this right here? This is why you want a stainless steel pan. Non-stick can't do this. It's kind of like when you get a bucket of fried chicken and there's all those crispy pieces that have fallen off the chicken and they're at the bottom of the bucket.
Amy calls those the yum yums.
Those are the yum yums. I'm going to go ahead and deglaze this with a little bit of wine. And then we're going to scrape up these little yum yums. I'm going to put a tiny bit of chicken broth in there to cut the acidity slightly. We're going to, oh yeah. See how nice that comes off of there at the bottom?
Your pan comes clean.
It comes clean. This makes an amazing little sauce. I'm going to go ahead and put a little bit of butter in here, just because I'm like that.
If you have any left over, you can put it on your rice.
Yeah. This is an amazing pan. Amazing. Whoever ends up winning, those 5 people are going to be happy. A little salt in there. A little pepper. Look at that little sauce in there. I'm going to leave it a little liquidy because you can cook it down a little if you want to. We're eating this with rice, so put the chicken back in here. Coat it a little bit. Yeah. We're going to smother that chicken with onions and mushrooms. Smother. I think it's time to have a bite, and we're going to talk about the giveaway. Okay, it's the best time. We get to eat, right? Look at this. It looks amazing. Eric got us a little bit of rice here. He put a little seasoning in it. And we're going to go ahead and put a little chicken here. And we're going to sprinkle in a little bit of that sauce on the chicken. So we've made something like this a long time ago, but I've kind of perfected it and got my process down. That was years ago. Here's a little fork for you, Bill.
Thank you, Bill.
You're welcome. And here's my little rice. I'll put a piece of chicken on here. Yum, yum, yum. Put some of this extra sauce on here. That's the delicious part. There's probably a little bit of acidic taste from the wine that gives you more of a brighter flavor for it. It's delicious. Okay, let's try this baby. My booze rice.
Right, good.
Yeah, that sauce has a little bit of acidity. The warmth from the chicken warmth from all that fun we developed on the bottom of this pan.
Got a little savory from the spices that you put in the chicken. The chicken itself is flavorful.
Chicken is nice and tender. Very good. Delicious. This is comfort food. It's easy to make. It's one pan right here in the CHEFWIN. Okay, about the giveaway. So, subscribe to Amy Learns to Cook. Leave me a comment and tell me, I want to get in on the giveaway. Also tell me, what do you think you might cook in this? What do you think your first dish is going to be? I only say that because it's going to give a lot of people ideas. So this pan, remember, it's 5-ply. It doesn't have all those rivets out here, so it's very easy to clean. It's aluminum sandwiched in stainless steel, and not just any stainless steel, because a lot of pans are using lower grade stainless steel. They may perform as well, but they're missing some of the things in it that make it more corrosion resistant. So this will look beautiful longer. And it's just a downright beautiful, awesome performing pan. It's amazing. And look at here. Nice smooth edges,
Really
right?
smooth.
So in 1 week from today, we will be putting all of your names into a randomizer, and the randomizer will pick 5 winners. So I will announce next week who the winners are. Those winners need to send me an email through the YouTube Gmail email account that they use to leave the comment. I don't send anything to somebody who's not sending me an email through that account. I need your name and shipping address, and I will be giving that to CHEFWIN because CHEFWIN will be shipping directly to you. So when you enter, you're consenting for me to give your address to CHEFWIN for shipping. Obviously, they can't ship it if they don't have an address, right? This is calling my name. So unfortunately, it's only open to those in the United States. I wish it could be open to everybody in the world, but shipping could be cost prohibitive, right? This is an amazing pan. 5 Amy Learns to Cook viewers will be getting one of these CHEFWIN 5-ply skillets. Don't forget, if you want to enter, leave your name, how you're going to use it, and you want to be entered in the giveaway. And also, once you get it, when you cook something, post it on social media, post it in your Facebook, tag CHEFWIN, and show us, go in the Amy Learns to Cook group and show us what you make with it. I really want to see that because I'm really excited that 5 people are going to get one of these pans because these pans are amazing, right? So, get this skillet, try this dish. It's delicious. Enter the giveaway. Here comes Eric for a refill. Good luck, everyone. I'm off to finish my dinner. Thanks for joining me.